So people get a New York DWI. They're arrested. When do they actually lose their license? Do they lose their license right at the road? Or do they lose the license later on? And can they still drive? Hi, my name is Larry Newman. Why don't you come on in? Today I'd like to talk to you about when do you actually lose your license with a New York DWI case. With a New York DWI, right after you get arrested, sometimes, it's very rare, the cops may just take your license away. This sometimes happens with an aggravated DWI, or if you're in a bad car accident with a DWI where there's injuries, they may right at the roadside say, you know what, you're losing your license to drive right here, right now. They could do the same thing with a very fast speed. But generally speaking, you don't lose your license at the side of the road. Generally speaking, you do not lose any of your privileges to drive a car in New York State, and this is what we're really talking about, privileges to drive a car, until your first court appearance. I recently was in court with somebody and they thought they lost their license already before the DWI case started. Even though I gave them the materials and I talked to them and everything else, they thought that they couldn't drive their car and their wife was driving them all over the place. You do not get a license suspension until the initial appearance with something called a suspension pending prosecution. And that's only if you've either taken a breath test or a blood test and they have a .08 or greater. Otherwise, they cannot suspend your license. If you had a .05 or a .06, they can't take your license. At least generally speaking, they can't take your license. If you have any questions about your DWI case, this is one of my focal areas of practice. You can give me a call, you can shoot me an email. I'd be more than happy to help you. And thanks for watching this video.